Welcome to Wellside Classic and Sports Car and Thompson Smith. Today we're pleased to offer this lovely little 1998 Mini Cooper. It's got the sport pack, as you can see. It's finished in flame red. It's a one owner vehicle. It's done 14,000 miles. It's had a fair time off the road, been dry stored. It's been recommissioned. The suspension's been renewed, as have the tyres. We've still got the original tyres. Should the next owner want to keep them for shows, etc. Okay, so flame red, white roof, white bonnet stripes, the wider wheels, 13-inch wheels, and also the wide wheel arches, which you get on the sports pack. Also, you get the 4 lights across the front, 2 spots and 2 fogs. Paintwork's gleaming. It's in lovely condition. It is an original car, no panels have been replaced, and it's showing just the very slightest few chips and marks on it, but nothing to worry you at all. It's never any sills or anything like that. As you look down the panels, you can just see the quality that we're looking at onto the A pillars there. Normally problem areas are bulkheads and everything. White roof's in lovely condition. It's a Scottish car, bought from Morrison's of Stirling. There, got the original tax discs and bits and bobs tax disc holder for the car. All the original books are with it. So, fully recommissioned, ready to use. We'll take you down the road in a moment. But we'll just go around the car and just let you just have a look just how nice it is. There can't be many of these one owner with this miles which are on the road, and maybe a few that people have never even registered, but they just can't be used. This car's ready to be enjoyed. So that brings us to a close on the outside of the car. Other than we'll take you into the boot. In the boot we've got the original tool bag, spare tyre cover, and under there it's got the steel spare wheel which has never been on. We will just again take you down to some lower areas of the car. On the offside here before we go inside it. Right, inside the car, as well as this being a Cooper with the sports pack, the car was also ordered with full black leather upholstery. You get a walnut dash on these sports pack cars, and also this car, another option which complements it lovely, are the walnut door cappings to the doors and also the rear quarters. Just taking you around some detailed areas just to show just how lovely this car is. Floor mats as new, got the drilled accelerator pedal there, 2-tone leather steering wheel with driver's airbag, leather gear shift there on the chrome lever, radio cassette there which I've got the code for it, I've just not put it in, I'll put it in a moment or two. 14,168 miles as we stand. So wood and everything is all in lovely condition. Headlining is perfect. If you look in the back, we've got these silver seat belts with the leather with the piping, and also those wooden door cards we mentioned. Again, if the floor, the carpet areas and everything is as good as new. Seats embossed with Mini Cooper. This is the driver's seat. It's in lovely condition. It's got the slightest creasing which you get with leather, but certainly nice and stiff, and just wants a good soap, really. Nice and supple though. So there we are. There's not much not to like about this car. If you're wanting a good usable little Cooper, probably the best colour combination, this could be the car for you. We'll take you down the road in a few moments just to show you it on the road. Obviously, being a late car, it's a 98, one of the last few years of production. These cars are quite safe. We've got the multi-point fuel injection, you've got driver's airbag, you've got side impact protection in the doors, and also you know, they're just generally a good all-round car. Still look classic, but got lots of modern features. So there we are for now. If you're interested, have a look on our website for this video and loads of photos, which is www.wildsideclassics.co.uk, or give us a call 01507 606 725. Okay, we'll just take up the road in this little Mini Cooper sports pack. So, nice place to be in here. This one door, warm on the dashboard, lovely, beautiful with the full leather trim. Door cappings going well with the fascia. It's got all the multi-dials and everything on it. 2-speed heater, which is not for the minute. The radio cassette works, but I've not put the code in. Driver's airbag, so a safe place really as far as minis go. Side impact protection, driver's airbag and seatbelt pre-tensions. Fuel injected engine, which makes things a lot more reliable. You can certainly use this car. Although it's sort of 25 years old, it doesn't sort of look or feel. It does look it, but it doesn't feel it. So this car, first time we saw it, we had a recommissioning program carried out since. It's had all new suspension, new tyres and everything. All the oils have been changed, so it drives well on the road. We're doing 60 miles an hour now. There's no bouncing. Before, all the suspension rubber had gone hard and it was quite nasty. It's thrown you all over the road, but it's certainly now, it's a vast improvement. So brakes are keen, pull up sharply, no judder or anything like that. Go through the gears, no single mesh problems, no whining or anything. So it's 14,169 miles, one owner, all the keys, all the books and everything's with it. It really is in lovely condition. So it's just ready to be used now. It's been stood up quite a while, it's been brought back to life and recommissioned nicely. And it really does drive well. Modern amenities in these minis, got sort of a 2-speed heater. So we've done a couple of miles now and not broke down, so it's different to when I was a youngster. So I say everything's dead straight ahead, no suspension noises, no gearbox noises. Really, it's a lovely little thing. If you're in the market